message from our beloved Governor, Dato' Pacao Mastura. As his representative, I want to extend my heartfelt Minister of MSSD, Attorney Liza Jejuli, and to Deputy Minister Nor Aileen Anlim, Cabinet Secretary Mo Asmi Pendaton, the Director General Attorney Muhammad Muqtadir Ahmad, Australia, Jason P. Kapugao, YCSPMRO, Paul Vincent Albano, General Manager, GCAS for Business, and Haja Emma S. Ali, BS para Social Workers, Child Development Workers, Dakila Beneficiaries, Solo Parents, Kupkup Beneficiaries, from Sultan Mastura, Sultan Kudarat, and para in MDN, and from Malidegaw and Pahamudin. Partnership from GX Change, Development Bank of the Philippines, Philippine Static Authority, of course, UNICEF, representatives from the Bangsamoro ministries, offices, and agencies, media partners, guests, visitors. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Isang karangalan po para sa akin na makadalo at kumatawan sa ating buting Gobernador Dato' Pacao Mastura City. Our participation today is a testament to the provincial government of Maguindanao del Norte's unwavering commitment to advancing digital transformation and promoting good governance. The financial inclusion caravan and the launch of the Bangsamoro card are significant milestones in making government to advancing digital transformation, promoting good governance. Higit sa lahat, this initiative empowers our beneficiaries to secure digital financial services, creating more opportunities and improving the lives of our people. Ito po ay malaking tulong upang ang kababaihan, vulnerable groups, at iba pang mamamayan ng probinsya ay magkaroon ng mas ligtas, mas madaling access sa mga serbisyong pinansyal sa pamamagitan ng makabagong teknolohiya. Masisiguro natin ang tulong ng pamahalaan ay may mabilis na makakarating, mas ligtas at mas tapat na may hatid sa bawat karapat-dapat na benepisyaryo. To our organizers, implementing partners, and all stakeholders, thank you for making this initiative possible. Maraming salamat po for your continued partnership. Makakaasa po kayo na ang panlalawigan ng Maguindanao del Norte ay patuloy na magbibigay ng suporta at makikipag-ugnayan sa pagtutupad ng mga programang makabubuti para sa lahat. Together, let us continue implementing meaningful programs that uphold the principles of development, transformation, and opportunities for a more progressive and inclusive Maguindanao del Norte. Bilang karagdagan at bilang Chief of Staff ng ating buting Governor na inantasan na pangasiwaan ang anumang mga programa at serbisyong pangkomunidad sa Maguindanao del Norte. With the support and collaboration of the MSSD, rest assured that we will provide full backing for all initiatives that benefits our beneficiaries. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.